Om Sri Matre Nama. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam, 18th April 2026, Chitre Masam 5th, Saturday, Parabhavanama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Vasantaradu, Chitre Masam, that is Mesha Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tidhi up to 3:46 p.m., Pradhamai, then Didiye, Sthiravasaram, that is Saturday, Nakshatram up to 10:55 a.m. Ashwini Nakshatram, then Bharani Nakshatram. Today's Rahuvalam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Yamagandam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Guligalam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Good time 7 to 8 a.m. then 11 to 12 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Kannirashi, Shulam East, Prayachittam Kard, Sradhatidi Pradhamai, then Dudiye. Today's